Connecticut state-to-state moving companies. Professional moving services, such as O1 Auto Transport, can make moving much easier. Whether moving locally or long distance, we provide everything you need to complete the moving process, from a free moving quote to packing, storage services and loading. We specialize in commercial moving and have made customer service our highest priority, working hard to ensure stress-free moving experiences. Moving can be an incredibly frustrating and stressful experience. The thought of having to pack your whole house up at your own pace into organized and labeled boxes, packing them all into your car or truck, moving them to your new home, and unpacking it all again can take all the joy out of it. You don't have to do it all alone. You can hire a professional Connecticut moving service to help. Factors that determine the estimates of Connecticut moving services. Density. The amount and density of the goods must be taken into account, as it is a major cost driver. Distance. The distance from origin to destination also needs to be considered, because it has a direct impact on total transportation cost. Mode of transport. Furthermore, the mode of transport and time frame for the move must be examined in order to determine which type of service best fits your needs. Size of items. Finally, dimensions and size of items should be accounted for, along with both pickup and delivery locations. Delivery locations, in order to calculate the most accurate moving estimates possible. If you ask the right questions and do the right research, you can ensure that the moving company you hire will be the right one for you. Here are a few things you should look at before making your decision. Are they registered with the Department of Transportation? What kind of protection does the company provide? How long has this company been in business? Look for reviews online. What other services are offered? O1 Auto Transport is one of a kind and no stranger to the moving industry. We have been a trusted moving company in the area for many years. Call us at 1-888-230-9116.